Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your crypto from Bybit to Kucoin. First of all, you need to log into your Bybit account. Then you need to go to your assets on the top right menu and then go to your funding account. Alright guys, now you need to choose the cryptocurrency you are sending from Bybit. I'll show you two examples, guys, because there are a lot of cryptocurrencies, but the process is the same for any other cryptocurrencies. So, for example, you are sending USDT from Bybit to KuCoin. First of all, you need to click withdraw button across USDT right here. And the important thing, guys, is to choose the network, choose the chain, guys. You need to scroll this down and you will see there are a lot of networks. I suggest you to use BIP20 or TRC20. At the moment, it has got fixed fee 1.3 USDT. So, for example, we are choosing BIP20 network, Binance Smart Chain network. Now we need to go to KuCoin, log into our account. Then we need to hover over the assets and go to the funding account. Right here, we need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar. So let's search for USDT, then click deposit. And now we need to select the network, guys, and the network should be the same. So we are using BIP20. We need to find BIP20 network in the list. So here is BIP20, B Smart Chain network. And we need to copy this wallet address, guys, from KuCoin, and we need to paste it right here. All right, and we need to enter the amount of USDT we're sending, and you can see fees are 1.3 USDT. So we will receive only 17.07 USDT on our KuCoin account. Click the confirm button, and in 2 minutes you can check your balance, guys. Go to assets on KuCoin, then go to your funding account, and right here the USDT balance will appear, guys, so you can check the USDT wallet in 2 minutes, guys. Maximum is 2 minutes. Now, for example, send another cryptocurrency, for example, TRX. You need to do the same thing. Click withdraw, and you need to select the network. You can see that TRX has got only one network, which is TRC20. So you're choosing TRC20 network. Now go to KuCoin and search for TRX. Then click deposit and select the network. And in this case, there is only one network, TRC20. Copy the wallet address, go back to Bybit, enter the wallet address right here, enter the amount of TRX you're sending. The minimum is 15. So for example, 120. And there will be fixed transaction fee 1.5 TRX, which is very, very low, guys. So click the confirm button, and in a few minutes you can check your assets and funding account on KuCoin. Here will be your TRX balance. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.